Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find and use the blur filter effect on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Instagram offers several ways to blur different elements in your photos and videos, depending on your desired effect. Using the blur filter in Instagram allows you to create captivating and visually appealing stories and posts. To add blur filters on Instagram stories or posts, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen or simply tap on your story icon in the top left corner of your screen. This will give you access to the Instagram story feature. From the available options, tap on a story to add a blur filter effect to a photo or a video. Now, you will see a range of filters at the bottom of the screen. Swipe right on the filters to open the filters panel. As you scroll through the filters, you will find a magnifying glass icon at the end. Tap on it to open the effects gallery, where you can browse through a library of filters organized by categories where you can search for specific filters. If you're looking for a specific blur filter, you can use the search icon at the top of the filter section. Tap on the search icon and type blur in the search bar. Instagram will then show you a list of blurry filter effects. Now, you need to add a blur filter effect to your favorites list. For this, simply tap on the filter thumbnail and add filters to your favorites by tapping the save icon at the top. I recommend adding 3 to 5 effects to have a variety to choose from. Once you have added the blur filter effects to your favorites list, go back to the Instagram home screen and tap Add New Story. Select a photo or video from your phone gallery. After opening the story, tap on the effect icon at the top of the screen. This will display the available effects at the bottom, including your favorite blur filters. Scroll to the right to explore the available filters and choose the best blurry filter for your photo or video. Once you have found the perfect filter, tap on Done from the top right of the screen. Now that you have applied the blur filter to your photo or video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below.